Namaskar, this is Neeraj Tiwari. We are extremely thankful to all of you for liking and subscribing our YouTube channel. हर वीडियो के बाद नंबर ऑफ सब्सक्राइबर हमारे बढ़ते हैं. इट गिव्स अस अ फीलिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग इनटू अ राइट डायरेक्शन. हम कोशिश करते हैं अपने हर वीडियोस में सारे सेगमेंट रियल एस्टेट से रिलेटेड कवर कर सकें. लेट इट बी प्लॉट्स, लेट इट बी लो राइज इंडिपेंडेंट फ्लोर्स, लेट इट बी हाई राइज, लेट इट बी कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट एज वेल, सो दैट आप अपने इंटरेस्ट के टॉपिक सेलेक्ट करके उसमें प्रॉपर्टी एक्सप्लोर कर सको. प्लस जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स हम आपको प्रेजेंट करते हैं, वी आर ऑथराइज्ड चैनल पार्टनर्स ऑफ ऑल द डेवलपर्स. दैट मीन्स वी हैव अ गुड डील टू ऑफर. ये बात वो लोग रिलेट करेंगे जिन लोगों ने हमारे साथ ट्रांजेक्शन की है. टुडे वी आर शोकेसिंग द मोस्ट एक्सक्लूसिव प्रोजेक्ट सो फार ऑन आवर चैनल, दैट इज सेंट्रल पार्क रिजॉर्ट स्काई विलाज. Central Park Resort is in Sector 48, Gurgaon. It is located at the heart of Gurgaon. That means you are connected with everything. You have hospitals, you have schools, you have malls, you have National Highway 8, you are just near to Sona Road, metro as well. When you are buying a house in Central Park, you are not only buying a house for yourself. In fact, you are buying a lifestyle. The lifestyle that Central Park gives is unmatchable, I tell you. People who have experienced the hospitality of Central Park, they can very well relate to this thing. So Central Park Resort, as the name suggests, is a resort theme based project spread across around 48.5 acres, जिसमें कि 20 acres is green area. The moment you enter into the condominium, आपकी गाड़ी सीधे टनल में जाती है बेसमेंट में. वहां से आप लिफ्ट के थ्रू डायरेक्ट अपने घर पहुंचते हो. There is no vehicular movement allowed at the surface. अगर पूरी कॉन्डोमिनियम में सर्विसेज का या फैसिलिटीज का आपको यूज करना है, चाहे क्लब्स का, रेस्टोरेंट्स का, बार का, जिम का, किसी का भी यूज करना है, you have access to the golf carts. The sizes in Sky Villa start from 5,500 square feet, goes up to 8,700 square feet, and the configuration is 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom. The price starts from around 10 CR. Let's have a look at the Sky Villa. जो Sky Villa आज हम एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, that is an 8,700 square feet unit. Let's have a look at the Sky Villa. Sky Villas are placed at the top of each tower. So we are at the 16th floor right now. You have 2 high-speed elevators. This is your lobby area. You have 3 Sky Villas at the floor. Now let's have a look. So this is your servant room, जिसको हम अभी it has an access to the kitchen. इसको हम किचन से कवर कर लेंगे. So this is your main entrance, of course with a camera doorbell. So this is your entry. एंट्री पे ही आपकी शू रैक की स्टोरेज है, एंड अ पाउडर रूम. तो दिस इज योर लिविंग डाइनिंग एरिया. मैं एक बार आपको बता दूं, स्काई विलास जो है वो 2 कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में मिलता है. 1 इज फुल्ली फर्निश्ड, नंबर 2 इज लग्जरी. फुल्ली फर्निश का मतलब ये है कि पूरे विला में, पूरे टूर में आपको जो कुछ भी विजिबल होगा, दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, ऑफ कोर्स माइनस मी. और जो लग्जरी स्पेसिफिकेशन होंगी उसमें मूवेबल फर्नीचर सारा हट जाएगा, बाकी एवरीथिंग विल बी एज इट इज. सेंट्रल पार्क इज अनदर नेम ऑफ क्वालिटी एंड क्वालिटी. सो क्वालिटी का पूरे विला में आप पूरे कॉर्नर में देखेंगे, कहीं से भी क्वालिटी में कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं है. इवन जो फ्लोरिंग आप देख रहे हो, दैट इज बर्मीज मार्बल, ग्रेड ए का मार्बल है, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव मार्बल वी हैव. All the corners of Sky Villas is connected to a balcony, and that too of a decent size. Like this is the balcony of a Sky Villa. Let's have a look at the balcony from this side. So look at the size of the balcony. पूरे विलास में जितने भी कॉर्नर्स हैं, जितने भी रूम हैं, सब में एक डिसेंट साइज की बालकनी मिलेगी आपको विद अ व्यू. So this villa is spread across 4 levels. On level 1 you have a living area and a dining area, a kitchen and 3 bedrooms. So let's start with the kitchen. Your kitchen is fully loaded kitchen with all the white goods. That means your refrigerator, your microwave, your oven, your hob, your chimney, your RO, fully automatic front load washing machine, a dryer and a dishwasher. पूरे विला में जो वुड यूज की गई है दैट इज प्योर टीक वुड. क्वालिटी में कहीं से भी कोई भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं है पूरे प्रोडक्ट में. किचन इज कनेक्टेड टू अ बालकनी विच हैज एन एक्सेस टू द सर्वेंट रूम. This is your servant room with an air conditioner, a individual washroom for the servant, जिसका एक्सेस बाहर से भी है. As you can see, you have a pretty decent sized kitchen here with storage all around, with an air conditioner as well. This is your personal elevator. We will take you to all the levels of your villas. It will take you till the terrace. This area has been utilized in such a manner that you have a storage space. How beautifully they have utilized this area. Let's have a look at the bedroom number 1. Like I said, 3 bedrooms are at this level. Your master bedroom is on the first floor. So this is your bedroom number 1. All the bedrooms come with solid wooden flooring, walk-in closet and attached washroom. All the bedrooms are of pretty decent sizes, well connected to a balcony. Like this is the balcony of this room, which is connected to the other room as well. We'll cover this balcony from that room. So like I said, in case of fully furnished unit, everything is part of the Sky Villa. Whatever you can see from your naked eyes, that is part of the product. Now let's have a look at the room number 2. Keep on checking the sizes of the bedrooms. They all are pretty decent sizes. Again, with solid wooden flooring, your wardrobe with attached washroom, and again balcony. The beautiful thing about this villa is the sizes of the rooms. See the size of a bedroom. Of course, along with a balcony. A walk-in closet, and must have a look at the washroom as well, attached with a bathtub. In fully furnished villa, you'll be getting a TV as well, in kitchen and washroom as well. In this Sky Villa, you have surprises in all the levels. Now I'll take you to the first level of the villa, and I'll show you the master bedroom. This is quite a treat to watch. Come. Now you have two choices, either take stairs or elevator. I'll take the elevator route and see you at the first level. Even your elevator shaft is air conditioned. This is the luxury redefined. Now this is your master bedroom, as good as a 2 BHK apartment. Come, just roll your camera all around and have a look at the size of this massive bedroom. This is your walk-in closet, and see the height up to the roof. This is your dressing area, and a washroom as good as a master bedroom of a normal apartment, please. So this is a bathing area, shower cubicle, and a jacuzzi. So in case of fully furnished villa, you have two LEDs in your washroom. Your washroom is also connected to a balcony. If you want to roll the camera, you can. So this is your balcony. Isn't it massive? Your master bedroom is connected with a running balcony. Like the master bedroom and washroom, your balcony is also massive. See. Now let's move out of this master bedroom. So this is your family room. You can utilize it as a TV watching room, a gaming room, as per your choice. Again, your private elevator. This is your family space. You can even set up a bar over here if you feel like. This is your personal swimming pool. This is just to give you a fair idea how can you utilize this space. You can either put your chairs, you can put your patio furniture over here. This will be as it is. This gazebo will be as it is. It is a part of the product. Now let's go to the another level of the villa. That is your terrace. This is your terrace. Like I said, your private elevator brings you up to the terrace. From here you can see the skyline of Gurugram. See. So this is your Sona Road and this is the skyline of Gurugram. Those are Aravlis that you can see. This is a pretty decent size. You can organize your personal parties over here. For that, you have a small kitchen over here with a wine chiller. And attached washroom. You also have a storeroom over here. I believe it is locked at the moment. Yes, it is locked, but it is a storeroom. So this was a tour of an 8700 square feet 4 BHK Sky Villa. अगर Sky Villa आप visit करना चाहते हैं, you can plan a visit along with your family. Do give us a chance to host you so that we will give you a fair experience of the hospitality of Central Park. अगर आप Sky Villa में villa purchase करना चाहते हैं, you can get in touch with us on the numbers given on screen. I assure you we have the best of the prices. आप हमसे WhatsApp link से भी connect कर सकते हैं. Do like and subscribe our YouTube channel so that future में भी हम आपके लिए ऐसी exclusive presentation बनाते रहें. Thank you so much and see you at the site.